Hi, this is Jackie from Bloom Property Management, and I'm just showing the results of putting window film over a window in a door to make it double glazed in effect with secondary double glazing. That Consumer Magazine has rated this product really highly for helping keep houses nice and warm. And it's really easy, anyone can do it themselves. So let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so here's a classic wooden panel door. I've just fitted a draft stop to the inside to help reduce drafts, and to the window here I fitted this plastic membrane which you can hear rattling, and it's done with a kit that you get from a hardware store, and you put on double-sided tape that comes in the kit. You can also get surplus extra at the store because it does go through it. So I put that all around there, making sure that the corners join up because I don't want to have gaps through there. And then I've put on the plastic film over the top really carefully, making sure I had excess over the sides. You know, you want to cover it roughly to size and then put it on and then trim it. I find the best way to trim it is to use a Stanley knife, fold over the surplus and just run the blade flat down the side there, so I'm not cutting into the window or anything, and it cuts nicely down the fold on the edge of the tape. And then, now it is a bit wrinkly still, right? You can see that, and it's not the most sightly. So here's where a hairdryer comes in. So just gently applying heat to this, and it shrinks down to the right size. So let's see how that goes. So I'll stop there. I've done half of the window, and that side's nice and tight, but this side's still a bit loose. And you can see that even these like lines that were across here are disappearing with the heat. And you can see there's wrinkles over here, but they've disappeared from this side. So I'll carry on and show you the end result. Okay, so that's the end result. It should be tight like the skin of a drum. Makes a good sound. And yeah, you can see it when it wobbles because the reflections change. But just looking straight onto that window, it's really subtle. So hardly noticeable, but that will make a huge difference to how warm this area is. We won't have heat going out there. And indoors, this is particularly good because it's really hard to hang a curtain over a door successfully without it getting caught in the hinges or getting stuck out the door on the way. So for more ideas about how to look after your investment properties or even your home to make it warmer and safer and drier, more comfortable and energy efficient for the occupants, follow me for more tips. Jackie at Bloom Property Management.